How to configure the general settings in WHMCS. This tutorial assumes you've already logged in to your WHMCS admin panel. Now let's learn how to configure our general settings. Click the Setup tab. Then click General Settings. There are several tabs you should go through to set up WHMCS the way that works best for you. The General tab is where you can set your company name, email address, domain, and more. Let's make a few changes. When finished, click Save Changes. Click the Localization tab. This is where you can change your default country and language and date format. The Ordering tab is where you go to set your ordering options, including the order form template you wish to use. The Domains tab is where you define whether or not you are going to sell domain registrations or allow domain transfers. The Mail tab is where you can set up your mail and SMTP settings. Click the Support tab. WHMCS allows you to install support modules that integrate with a standalone support solution, such as Kayako, but you can also choose to use the built-in support ticketing system that comes with WHMCS. You can set your invoicing options here and set your credit options here. WHMCS has a built-in affiliate system which you can set up here, allowing you to pay commissions for referrals. There are some security settings you can tweak here, as well as social settings you can set here. Once you're finished making all the changes you want, don't forget to click Save Changes. This is the end of the tutorial. You now know how to configure your general settings in WHMCS.